Hi everyone, this is EA and welcome to our lesson that is set number 18, published by EA Spoken English, which teach online. ऐसा चमकदार जैसे सूरज, as shining as the sun. ऐसा गर्म जैसे सूरज, as hot as sun. इतना प्यारा जैसे फूल, as lovely as flower. ऐसा मजबूत जैसे फौलाद, as strong as iron. मुझे तन्हा छोड़ दो, leave me alone. अपने कपड़े पहन लो, put on your clothes. अपने कपड़े उतार दो, take off your clothes. लैंप बुझा दो, put out the lamp. लैंप जला दो, put on the lamp. पंखा चला दो, switch on the fan. इतना खट्टा जितना लीमू, as sour as lemon. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe me over here in YouTube channel. The more you get subscription, the more you see my videos. Thank you very much.